Welcome guys in this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a happy birthday story in Instagram. Okay, so click to this button and then go to story and then click to create. Okay, and now search for the happy birthday slide. You can see this is a slide for happy birthday. You can change the background from here if you want to change. Okay, so now search your friend that have birthday. So I'm going to say happy birthday to this Real Madrid football player. Okay, and now again there is have some option if you want to add additional text in here, or you can write a hand-free text in here if you want to, or you can add the music from here. Also you can add any a gift, so I'm not going to add, and you can change again the background from here. Okay, when you're done, click to send and then click to share and then done. Okay, so now let's see, this is how to create happy birthday story for your friend in Instagram. Thanks for watching, see you in the next tutorial.